Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are at
In this video, we will bring you to the world of amphibian. This is our group members. Introduction of amphibian. Amphibian are small vertebrates that need water or a moist environment to survive. The species in this group include frogs, toads, salamanders, and newts. It also have special skin glands that produce useful proteins. My name is Muhammad Afiq Najmi bin Mian. I will continue with amphibian green paddy frog. As I said before, the name is green paddy frog. The scientific name is Hellerina erythraria, and it comes from family Renidae and genus Hellerina. The origins native to Southeast Asia, including countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam. This frog is also have a small size and agile amphibian known for its bright green coloration. For its habitat, we can find them in freshwater habitats like paddy fields, ponds, streams, and also wetlands. The diet for this frog consists of small insects, spiders, and other tiny invertebrates. And the breeding of this frog, breeding occurs during the rainy season. Females lay eggs in clusters attached to aquatic vegetation. Tadpoles hatch and develop in water before metamorphosing into frog. The fun facts about this frog: the green paddy frog is an excellent jumper, using its strong hind legs to leap great distance. Other than that, the bright green color helps them to blend with vegetation, offering camouflage from predators.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Azam Bezaki, and today I would like to introduce Malayan horned frogs.
The Malayan horned frog is native to the large rainforests of Southeast Asia. Its range includes Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, and Singapore. Taxonomically, the Malayan horned frog's kingdom is Animalia, the phylum is Chordata, the class is Amphibia, the order is Anura, the family is Megapheridae, the genus is Megaphoris, and the species is Nasuta.
The frog prefers lowland and mountainous rainforests, typically found at elevations of up to 1,400 meters.
Breeding occurs in streams or pools, which female lay their eggs. The tadpoles have specialized mouths that allow them to cling to rocks, a crucial adaptation for surviving in fast-moving faster currents. And here is some fun facts about Malayan horned frogs. Its leaf-like camouflage is so convincing that it's often mistaken for a dead leaf.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farisikuan bin Asria. So today I want to present about one amphibian. Can you guess what? The amphibian was called Axolotl. Axolotl is native to Lake Xochimilco and Lake Calco in Mexico. Its scientific name is Ambystoma mexicanum, underclass Amphibia, and family Ambystomatidae. Axolotl retain juvenile feature, neoteny, feathery gills, and a smile-like face. Its habitat is in freshwater lake with cool and oxygen-rich water. Axolotl eat worms, brine shrimp, and small fish. For reproduction, it lay eggs, larvae hatch in 2 or 3 weeks, and grow into aquatic adults. And the last part is a fun fact about Axolotl. It's a symbol of eternal youth in Aztec culture. The second one is popular in science and pet keeping due to its unique traits. And the last one is can regenerate limbs and even part of its brain.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Arif Imam Muhammad Azmi. I'm going to explain about dumpy tree frog or white frog. Tree frog, we have the name dumpy tree frog or its scientific name Littoria caerulea. Then we have its origin. It can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and nearby islands. Then we have its habitat, which is tropical rainforest, swamps, and even urban garden. Then its diet, depends on insects such as cricket, moths, and grasshoppers. Then we move on to its taxa or its taxonomy, which is first kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Amphibia, order Anura, family Hylidae, and genus Littoria, and its species is Littoria caerulea. As you can see in the picture, its appearances is green or maybe bluish skin with smooth and shiny with golden eyes, as in the picture. Then its reproduction, how it reproduces is lay eggs in the water, and the eggs then hatch into tadpole and grows into frogs. Let's jump on to its fun facts of dumpy tree frog. Okay, first, it can live up to 20 years in captivity. Then it is known for its calm nature. Then it also has the ability to adapt with human environment. Then it also its skin can produce microbial compounds which.
Okay, so next is kodok sungai. So the common name of this kodok sungai is the river frog, and the scientific name is the rana species. The origin of this frog is from the Southeast Asia, particularly countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, and also the Thailand. And the taxonomy of this frog is the kingdom is for the Animalia, phylum is Chordata, class is Amphibia, order is Anura, and the family is Ranidae. So these frogs are medium to large size frog with smooth and moist skins, and this frog also usually found near the rivers, streams, and sometimes in floodplain and swamp. This frog is very active during night and very sensitive to the changes of the water quality. This frog also is a carnivorous, feeding in insects, and it uses their sticky tongue to catch prey. Usually during the rainy season, it is the breeding season for the river frog. The fun facts about the river frog, it is a jumping expert. Their strong and hind legs make them excellent jumpers, aiding in both hunting and escaping predators.
Meet the parrot horned frog. This fascinating creature hails from Malaysia, particularly the large Perak region. It belongs to the Xenophris Axera species within the Megophryidae family, notable for its striking horns above the eyes. The parrot horned frog thrives in humid, leaf-littered forests where it camouflages expertly among the foliage. During the rainy season, females lay eggs in shallow pools, ensuring the continuation of their lineage. This frog primarily feeds on insects such as ants, beetles, grasshopper, flies, moths, crickets, and small invertebrates such as earthworms, snail, and spider, relying on its camouflage to ambush prey. Some fun facts about the parrot horned frog are it is an ambush predator. Parrot horned frog typically grow to a size about 3 to 4 inches in length, primarily nocturnal, and have a short lifespan in which 5 to 7 years. In summary, the parrot horned frog is a fascinating amphibian native to the Perak region of Malaysia. Their unique adaptation makes them a remarkable example of a rainforest biodiversity.
For ex situ conservation for amphibian is the first one is captive breeding amphibian in zoo or aquarium to save species. Second one is cryopreservation, which is storing amphibian genetic material for future use. And the last one is Amphibian Arc, a global support for amphibian conservation program.
Zoo can create harmony with the origin habitat of the animal they house by promoting the biodiversity. So zoo have include a variety of species that coexist naturally in the wild to stimulate ecosystem dynamics. And zoo also introduce a flora and fauna that are native to the animal's original habitat and creating a mini ecosystem.
Okay, there is an example of disease and how to prevent it. The first disease is cytrodiomacosis, the second disease is Rana virus, and the last disease is red leg syndrome. And how we can prevent it? We can do a habitat conservation and reduce human impacts, and also we can monitoring an yearly detection program.
Now we move on to how to reduce stress in amphibians. Okay, we need to have proper habitat, minimal handling, clean water, right diet, and also avoid stressors. The competitions of amphibians is food, shelter, breedings, and also threats.
Conservation of amphibians like the paddy frog, parrot horned frog, Asian giant toad, Malayan horned frog, dumpy tree frog, and axolotl is essential due to the declining population and threats they face. At Zoo Negara, effective ex situ conservation strategies include proper feeding tailored to each species, controlled breeding programs, and proactive disease prevention measures. The zoo also creates habitats that reduce stress and competition among species, allowing them to thrive in environments that closely mimic their natural setting. By fostering the well-being of these unique amphibians and educating the public about their importance, Zoo Negara plays a crucial role in promoting biodiversity and the preservation of this vital creature for future generations.